Hello viewers, this is Engineer Sadakat Ali and welcome to my YouTube channel Real Time Simulation World. So today I'm going to explain you or I'm going to introduce you basically how real time simulation works. So you can see here that we have different types of, you can see a lot of wiring in this uh, complete module. I'll explain you what these modules are, right? So first of all, let's come here. What is this? This is NI PXIe 1085. This is nothing but an FPGA based NI system, PXI. This is used to burn your circuit, the circuit of your power converters or any electrical equipment, to burn it onto FPGA. Now the circuit that we designed on MATLAB, it can be multisim, it can be plex, it can be psim, right? So you design your circuit in that software and you burn it here with the help of Opal RT software. Now the circuit that you loaded here will be run on the step size of nanoseconds. Now if you run that on a step size of nanoseconds, what will happen, that circuit will show its will show the results closer to the actual results, right? Now you need to control that circuit. Let's say it's a power converter, and you want to control it, right? So in order to control it, first of all, you can see here we have different types of modules that are coming out from this PXI. uh, this one is the analog output, uh, digital input output, and this one is the digital. So let's say I want to control any power converter, so I need to send some digital inputs to my switches. So I will use this card. These are the high speed input output system. You can see a lot of wires are going there down here, and we have different types of wires. So huge number of wires are there. Let's say I want to control 4 different switches, so I will use 4 different digital inputs, right? Digital inputs. Now these digital inputs require some digital signals, and that digital signals will come from this FPGA based NI controller. So we have NI 9035. This is an 8 module compact trio. So I have explained in my previous video that how what basically a compact trio is. This is an FPGA based controller, so you can control your circuit that is running on this PXI with the help of this FPGA based controller. So you have a simulated control, right? You have a simulated control and you are controlling it with the actual controller, right? So this is what this is basically real-time simulation is. So if we need 4 digital outputs to be inserted here, what we will do, we will use 4 digital digital output module here in compact trio, right? We will connect these wires with these wires, right? So once you connect it, your converter will be controlled with the help of compact trio. Now you need to measure how the output looks like. So you will use analog output module. So we have basically analog output. So we can use up to 32. So we have basically total of 32 analog outputs. You can measure at 32 different places, right? So you have a simulated system running on FPGA at a step size of nanoseconds, and you are controlling with a FPGA based controller. So this whole system is called as a real-time simulation system. I'll explain later in my videos that how you can use this to design your own real-time simulation or to perform any real-time simulation. Okay, so thanks for now. See you in next video.